guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency. I'm on a journey to become debt free. So today I'll be updating you guys on week number 3 for my spending. And let me just say, I did splurge a little bit, but I will explain to you guys. I'm trying to do a no spend 2025 challenge, but you guys, it is so hard. It is so hard, but it's okay if you do something that you were not supposed to. You know, don't feel too ashamed or blame, because being too strict, you won't go nowhere, baby. You will not get there, okay? I think that's the rule. But I did have a rule that I was allowed to spend one time at TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Ross, Marshall, you name it. But I didn't set a rule for like eating out or anything like that. But it's okay. I will explain to you guys what I have. Next week, for week number 4, you know, this week is kind of like a magic month, right? Because it has more days than usual. So how many days does it have? Hold on. It has 31 days. Okay, so it has 31 days. And yeah, so for the next one, I will do until all the 31s. Okay, all right, guys. So here we have Apple Pay. You guys, I totally forgot that I had an Apple Pay subscription for 99 cents, which is basically $1 for storage. And can I just say, I canceled that. I totally forgot. So I was paying $1 per month, and because you know my phone doesn't have that much storage and photos and stuff like that, so I just went ahead and canceled that, and hopefully next month I don't get charged that. So I don't see that as like splurging out. So anything red will be splurging out. Okay, so yeah, so there's that. I did that on the 16th without me even thinking. I was checking my bank account and I was like, whoa, hold on, I forgot about this. All right, next, you guys, on the 18th, I shipped out a binder, the giveaway binder, the A5 binder. I paid $6.27. Sendo, you guys, if you don't know about Sendo, Sendo is a good app. It's very affordable, very cheap. You just have to kind of like do customized size on that. Don't put the sizes yourself. Just do customized, like, customized weight, by customized weight, like if it's 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 12 ounce, 8 ounce, 5 ounce, you do customize. It can go up to 20 pounds. And yeah, it's very, very cheap. But anyways, that was a winner giveaway. That one, I don't see it as a splurge. So we're gonna go ahead and do blue, because I don't see that as splurge. It's just in general. Okay. And you guys are going to hear Dylan, because Dylan's here with me. And you know how that goes. Dylan's always here with us. All right, next, you guys, we have my eyebrows and mustache. I know. So that one was on the 18th. I paid $15, but I always tip her $5. And this, for some of you guys, may be just like a luxury. Like spoiling yourself. Yes and no. I don't count this as a spending just because girl, I'm not about to look like a monkey walking around, okay? I'm not gonna look like a monkey walking around, okay? I'm very hairy, like my eyebrows are thick, and they are just, you know, like, look at me, okay? You see me? I look like a monkey already here. Wait, hold on. Where? I don't know. Can you tell? You see me? Okay. So, girl, I can't look like a hairy monkey on my eyebrows and my mustache, okay? So I get that done sometimes twice a month, depending on how fast my hair grows, I'll be honest with you. So this, to me, it's not splurging. It's not like, oh my gosh. It's just a regular spending for me, okay? So $20 for that. So to each his own. We all have different budget. We all have different spends. This is mine. You don't have to like it. You know, and that's okay. We don't have to like everyone's spends, okay? Okay. I don't want to sound rude or anything like that, but, you know, everyone's different, and that's okay. All right, next, on the 18th, oh my gosh, you guys. After getting my eyebrows done, hubby called me. He was like, hey, so here at work, everyone wants seafood. And I'm like, oh my gosh. He's like, are you almost coming? I'm like, I'm actually like almost there. I'm about to go do my eyebrows. And he's like, okay, perfect. He's like, can you order some? Do you want some? I'm like, heck yes. So I did splurge this seafood, $31.88. You guys, I got me the combo with snow crab, the sausage, and the headless shrimp. No head shrimp. Oh, so good with the season. With hot not temperature, hot as in like spicy, hot spicy, with Cajun flavor. It was bomb.com. It's my to-go, I'll be honest with you. I crave it all the time. And so I was like, you know what, screw it. I was like, let me splurge on that. So I was like, you know what, that's okay. This is my second splurge. So this one was $31.88 for that seafood. It was bomb.com. I paid for mine. Happy paid for his. We just, I told him, I'm like, it's okay. I'm like, I gotta splurge. So I was like, you pay for yours and I pay for mine. I'm like, that's so good. All right, next, you guys. We had Chick-fil-A on the 18th. And yeah, it's splurging. Because, it was for my kids and then I got some too. So I was like, it's okay. My kids will not get punished for my no spending. So I was like, I'm like, it's all good in the hood. So we got Chick-fil-A for $18.76. I mean, I guess I would do a red, but to me, it doesn't really count as a red. But, it was unexpectedly. It was not supposed to get done, but that's okay. I guess since we're budgeting, I'll do a red, but it's okay. To me, it's okay. So $18.76 for that, for Chick-fil-A on the 20th. And it was so good, you guys. So good. All right. And then, last but not least, the bad one, you guys. And I actually hold on a little bit towards another purchase. So I was at TJ Maxx. If you saw my Instagram story, you saw that I bought some Hello Kitty Valentine's pins. So if you're new here at my server, and every month, whatever thing we're on, I always buy pins for people to like leave me tips and sign, the pins that you get when you go eat at the restaurant after you pay. So I just like being into like the event and like theme wise. And I love Hello Kitty, and those pins are my to-go. They were $5.99 each, so I bought 2 packs of those. And then I bought a long sleeve shirt for like spring Eastery type of color. And so I had to. And then if you saw the story, if you really looked at the story on Instagram, there was some bow pink PJs. I really want them, and I didn't get it. I think it was like maybe $20, but I stopped myself for that because I was like, I'm already gonna spend money and I shouldn't. So yeah, I was like, whatever. 35.17 on that. So hey, it is what it is. So that means so far we have 2 shopping spreed and 2 takeouts, 2 food splurging. So hey, that's okay. It's not bad. It's 4 and it's not a lot, but it's okay. Next week we gotta do better, which yes, I think I haven't bought anything yet for next week. But yeah, so there you have it, guys. That's my little splurge. Week number 3. I mean, it's okay. We can do better. This is my first time for real being true to myself and doing it. So I think I'm doing good. I know what to expect for next month. So I think I will do better next month. But still, I think this is good. This is good. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And hold on. Click on my description box. I finally opened a coffee shop. I don't know. And I'm trying my best to post freebies in there. Someone tipped me $2. Oh my gosh, it was so sweet. Whatever money I get from tips, I would put it towards my debt. So I linked it through PayPal. So I got like $1.31. I'm not sure if that's how it works, but $1.31 will be going towards my debt. So that's exciting. Thank you so much. I'm trying my best to do it. So I posted 3 different challenges there. There's 3 different kinds. There's Easter, Hello Kitty, Valentine's, and like just random ones. And I'm gonna try my best to make as much as I can so you guys can get some freebies and tips or appreciate it. But yeah, so I want to let you guys know that. And yeah, all right, guys. Bye. See you on the next one. Adios.